Hello guys, today we have Shri Sumit Sarkar in front of us. He is a SHE specialist and continued working in various construction sites since 2001. Shri Sarkarji has been awarded with Shaurya Bharat Award in the year 2001 in the field of safety. He has also been awarded with Best Achievers Award in the year 2021 by Magic Book of Records. So let us know about our safety culture. Sir, with your kind permission, I would like to ask few questions on safety. So, what does safety plan means?
A safety plan is a formal procedure to be followed in case of emergency in a workplace. Generally, norms and site safety plan process for identifying the physical and health hazards who is harmful to procedure prevent accidents and steps to take against accident.
Okay, sir. Sir, please describe that how it has acted.
It carry 5 points. First, immediate actions to take. Secondly, area to secure. Thirdly, important or rescue personal contact. Fourthly, protective equipment wearing. And finally, evacuation routes.
Okay, sir. So, how it is possible to develop project safety?
Okay, very good point. This is carry 5 steps. And one is inspection regular and improve work site to good steps. Secondly, culture to workers about JSA. Thirdly, safety offense strict warning. Fourth, train all workers, employees, contractors, and upcoming new employees. And finally, analyze to various risk of accidents.
Okay, sir. Sir, please tell me what is JSA?
This is full form is job safety analysis.
Okay, sir. So, how it has been growing a good safety in project?
Firstly, every staff's management and workers cooperation. It is very very important. तो इसमें कुछ पॉइंट आता है. फर्स्ट नंबर इंट्रोडक्शन, मैनेजमेंट पार्टिसिपेशन, स्किल लीडरशिप विदाउट फियर, टीचिंग अबाउट रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, HEC object and targets, subcontractors, alertness, and safety responsibilities, and trained first aider, carefully materials handling, and proper storage, good housekeeping, very important point, wiring necessary PPS, that means personal protective equipments, induction classes, TBT educations, no overconfidence anybody, and the last, no any time of horseplay work. Due to the horseplay work is the most major causes this accident.
Okay, sir. Sir, please tell us about some safety culture.
This is very good point. Every safety specialist carries safety cultures, and I think every industrial and construction sectors people with involved safety cultures. So, firstly, workplace analysis by safety specialist. Workplace analysis by safety specialist, safety personnel, and secondly, make safety planning. Thirdly, want to each and every responsible management supporting. After supporting, from their suggestion and safety law, accident prevention or control theory making. And fifth, employees participation in the safety committee. And management member, PRW member, means all sections responsibilities make active and responsible safety committee body will be making. And last, everyone's responsibility and had efforts to give a positive and reduced occupational accidents.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the methodology of HIRA and what it is, sir?
HIRA, Hazard Investigation Analysis. Uh, that means hazard investigation, risk analysis, hazard identification and analysis that provides a detailed review of hazards, risks and control of the construction activities. That's it.
Okay, sir. Sir, when it is need to have a safety belt.
Safety belt is the need for height work. Generally 2.5 meter height work, when a person climbing or working on this side, there need to be wearing safety belt. And we recommended a safety net. Safety net is the lifeline, and safety net to setting below the height work job. It protect a occupational accident.
Okay, sir. Sir, as we all know that COVID is a pandemic disease. So, why it is called a pandemic?
Very good question. Actually, COVID is a pandemic disease. COVID SARS-2, this disease was a pandemic. So what is called pandemic? Pandemic उसी को कहता है जो disease infectious, epidemic and spread across a large region or worldwide. So this disease is pandemic.
Okay, sir. Sir, one last question from you. What is your information for all the construction industrial workers for safety?
Yes, very good question. Please strictly maintain safety norms. Work must but safety first priority. किसी रूप से काम उठाओ, जल्दी जल्दी काम उठाओ, अननेसेसरी हिम्मत दिखाना, सेफ्टी नेग्लिजेंसी करना, छोड़ देना ये अच्छा है, अच्छा नहीं है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. और सभी कंस्ट्रक्शंस हेड, इंडस्ट्रियल हेड एंड सीनियर पर्सन्स, आई रिक्वेस्टेड देम, आप लोग सभी मिलके हर सेफ्टी स्पेशलिस्ट, सेफ्टी पर्सनल को भरपूर मदद कीजिए, क्योंकि सेफ्टी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर लाइफ, सेफ्टी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एनवायरमेंट एंड सेफ्टी इज सर्वोत्तम. सो जिंदगी पहले अगर रहेगा, जिंदगी कुशल मंगल रहेगा, तो हर आदमी अपना अपना काम आज भी करने पाएगा, कल भी करने पाएगा, परसों भी करने पाएगा, जिंदगी भर करने पाएगा. So safety is very good, and we follow together in safety rules and safety norms.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So we were having a word with Shri Sumit Sarkar, our safety officer. Hope you have all understood about safety culture. Thank you.